Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to INSECTECHS, and in this class we are going to learn how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBOX. So just like any other installations on VirtualBOX, you have to download Ubuntu. Load Ubuntu. Just type download Ubuntu in the Google or any of your favorite search engine. And here is the first link, download Ubuntu desktop. Let me click on this and it is ubuntu.com. And as you can see over here, this is the download section, as you can see in the URL. And as you can see over here, this is a download link. Download 22.04.3 version. Click on it and click on download button if it doesn't start automatically. So you can click to save the ISO file of Ubuntu. Since I've already downloaded the ISO file, as you can see the ISO file in the folder ISOs. So let me now open the VirtualBOX manager. So as you can see over here, these are all the operating systems that have already been installed. So let me click on new icon and let me type Ubuntu 24 and let me change the folder to VirtualBOX, where I save all my VBox installations. Click on select folder, and now you have to mention the path of the ISO file. Click other, and this is the ISO file that we need to give the path to the VirtualBOX manager. Click OK. Click next. So let me change the username to Ubuntu 24 itself and type password. What is this password? This change me. Type a strong password and the host name is Ubuntu 24. Click on next. Let me change the base memory to 4096, that is 4 GB 4096, and let me change the processor to 2, that is CPU count is 2. Click on the next, and as you can see, the virtual hard disk size is 25 GB. I'll change it to 40 or 45 and click on the next. And this is a summary of the instance that you are creating. Click on finish button. Powering up the VM already. So this is Ubuntu 24 which is running. Try install. So you have a couple of options over there. Try or install Ubuntu safe graphics OEM installation, and let me click on try or install Ubuntu. Click. So this is Ubuntu operating system that is running. So as you can see, Ubuntu is running on the VirtualBOX. Verifying the installation configuration. So the installation is going on, and welcome to Ubuntu. So the installation of Ubuntu is now complete. The system is rebooting. Now type your password that you have mentioned during the installation and hit enter to log into the system. So this is your Ubuntu operating system that is installed on VirtualBOX application. And let me skip this part. Next. No, don't send system info. Done. Ready to go. So now you have a job to do, that is you have to install guest editions. So click on the devices and click on the insert guest editions CD image to mount the CD image of guest editions. Click on the folder icon, that is to see the files, and here as you can see VBox. Now you have to copy this file, that is VBox Linux editions.run. Copy and paste it on desktop. Paste. So this is the file. Open your terminal. So where is the terminal? Click on the 9 dots and type You have a terminal icon over
Thank
here.
you for
Click on the
watching the
terminal
video and
icon
do
to open the
subscribe to
terminal.
the YouTube channel INSECTECHS.
Open the terminal. So we have to move to desktop folder, cd desktop, hit on tab for tab completion, hit enter, and ls, as you can see the file over here. You have to give the executable permissions. So before that, let me type su, hit enter and type the password to be root, ls, as you can see. Now chmod 777 and name of the file, that is virtualbox linux editions.run, and hit enter. Now you can run the file, // name of the file, and hit enter. Now the VirtualBox guest editions installer is working and the installation is going on. Open new window and let me type su once again. As you can see, the installation of guest editions is going on, but you can also type apt-get install VirtualBox. Is the spelling correct? VirtualBox hyphen guest and dash editions dot hyphen ISO, and hit enter to install the guest editions. But since the installation process is already going on, I'm going to close this window, close the terminal. So now the installation is completed and you have to reboot the system. Reboot, hit enter. Now the Ubuntu is restarting. So guys, this is your Ubuntu operating system. The job is not yet done. Open the terminal once again. Add to favorites. Click on the terminal icon to open the terminal. su, hit enter and type a password. Now you have to update the system and the command is apt-get update. Hit enter. The update of Ubuntu is going on. Next we can use the command apt-get upgrade to upgrade the system. Now let me type the command apt-get upgrade to upgrade the system, and this may take some time, depends upon your internet connectivity, speed of your internet. Hit enter. Yes. So the upgradation part is now complete. You have to type the command sudo reboot in order to restart the system. But before that, let me also install an application called Apache. Let me clear the screen. Apache is a web server application and most of the Linux based systems are used as a web servers. So let me type apt install is the command Apache 2. It is a command to install Apache server on this Ubuntu machine. Now type sudo reboot and hit enter. So that's it in this class, guys. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching the video and do subscribe to the YouTube channel INSECTECHS.